Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to get email alerts for new Instagram leads. So I'm an owner of a sports training center, and to promote my center, I'm running some Instagram lead ads. So here in this case, I want whenever I receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, automatically I should receive a mail alert on my Gmail account with all the lead details. So this way I will not miss up with any of the lead. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to get email alerts on new Instagram leads. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a sports training center and I use Instagram lead ads to attract new clients interested in our programs. So here on my screen you can see my Instagram account, and I have connected this account with my Facebook page which is named as Sports Elite Training Center. And over here using this Facebook page I am running some Instagram lead ad. So over here you can see the successful connection that I have built between my Instagram and my Facebook page, and here I am using this Facebook page to run some Instagram lead ads. And over here I have also connected my lead gen form. So here in this case I want whenever someone submits their contact information through our lead ads, it's crucial to respond quickly to make the most of these leads. So by setting up email alerts for new Instagram lead ad submissions, I receive instant notification whenever a new lead comes in. This allows me to promptly follow up, provide the information they need, and potentially sign them up for our programs. It ensures I stay on top of new inquiries and improve my chances of converting leads into clients. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Gmail account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as get email alerts for new Instagram leads. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets business collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. When users click on the ad, they see a form where they can easily provide their contact details or answer questions without leaving the app. People use Instagram lead ads because they simplify the process of gathering leads, making it easy for users to sign up or express interest while staying on Instagram. It's a great tool for businesses looking to generate leads quickly and efficiently, reaching a large audience where they are already active. So here in my Instagram lead ads trigger, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture a response. And now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. And here you can see it is asking me to select the Facebook account which I have already connected with my Instagram account. So I'm going to select that account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my page and my lead gen form. So here I need to select my Facebook page. So as I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Sports Elite Training Center. So moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to search for my page, that is Sports Elite Training Center. So this is my Facebook page. And then here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So as I've already shown you that I have already connected my lead gen form with my Instagram lead ads, and here in this case I'm going to use my lead gen form which is named as sports training form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as sports training form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all leads and forms. And now here after selecting my page and my lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here after clicking on the save and send test request, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So here to generate a test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this more, and from here I'm going to select tools. Now here under developer tools, I'm going to select a tool that is Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. And now here under Lead Ads testing tool, you can see it is asking me to select my page and my form. So here my page has already been selected, that is Sports Elite Training Center. And here I'm going to select my form, that is Sports Training Form. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, I'm going to select it as sports specific training. And here for the training goals, I'm going to select sports performance. And now here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy lead. And here I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter some random phone number. And here for the gender, I'm going to enter the gender as female. So here I've successfully entered all the required data, and now I'm going to click on this continue given over here and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received preferred training program, training goals, full name, email, phone number, gender, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger step. Now let's move to action step, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. So Gmail is Google's email service that lets you send and receive emails online. People love it because it's easy to use, has lots of storage space, and keeps spam out of your inbox. It works well on any device and helps you stay organized with features like labels and filters. Whether you are emailing friends, managing work projects, or just staying connected, Gmail makes it simple and reliable. So here in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as send email v2, so that whenever we are going to receive a new Instagram lead ad, automatically I should receive an email alert on my Gmail account. And now here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient email addresses. So here I need to enter the address to whom I want to send this mail. So as I've already told you that I want to receive a new email alert on every new Instagram lead ad. So here I'm going to enter my own email address so that I can receive alert on new Instagram lead ad. So here I'm going to enter the email address as ashi@pabblytudes.com. So this is my email address. Moving forward, here the CC and BCC field are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And then here for the sender email address, you can see it has already selected my email address so that I can receive an alert from my different email account. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the sender name. So here I'm going to enter my training center name, that is Sports Elite Training Center. So this is my sender's name, and then here it is asking me for email subject. So here I'm going to enter a one-line email subject for my mail. So this is the email subject which says new Instagram lead ad submission. And again, this reply to field is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the email content type, I'm going to select plain, scrolling little down, and then here it is asking me to enter the email content. So here I need to enter the content which I want to receive as a mail on every new Instagram lead. So I'm going to enter my email content. So this is the email content which I want to receive as a mail, which says, "Hi Ashi, you have a new lead from Instagram. Lead details, name, email, phone number, gender, preferred training program, training goals. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible to provide them with the information they requested and explore how you can assist them further. Best regards, Sports Elite Training Center." So here you can see I have used variables in front of these name, email, phone number details, and here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new Instagram lead through our Instagram lead ad, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead name. So this is my lead's name. Here I'm going to map my lead's email. This is my lead's email. Here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Here I'm going to map my lead's gender. So this is my lead's gender. And here I'm going to enter the preferred training program. So this is my lead's preferred training program. And here I'm going to map my lead's training goals. So this is my lead's training goals. So now here I have successfully mapped all the details, and with this I have successfully entered my email content. So now moving forward, and then here this file name, attachment, label, IDs and signature is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see I have received a successful response. That means I have successfully sent a mail to myself with all the lead details. So now let's go and check my mail ID. And here you can see the mail which I have received with the email subject as new Instagram lead ad submission and the sender's name as Sports Elite Training Center and the body as "Hi Ashi, you have a new lead from Instagram. Lead details as dummy lead, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, gender as female, preferred training program as sports specific training, training goals as sports performance. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible to provide them with the information they requested and explore how you can assist them further. Best regards, Sports Elite Training Center." So this was the email alert which I have received on my email account, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Instagram lead ad. And for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead given over here. And now here after clicking on this delete lead, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And now here again under lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page that is Sports Elite Training Center and my form as Sports Training Form. And now here to generate another test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. Now again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, this time I'm going to select group training. Training goals as muscle building. And here for the full name I'm going to enter the name as test lead. And here for the email I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytunes.com. And then here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And here for the gender I'm going to enter the gender as male. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our mail account to check whether we have received the alert or not. And here you can see the mail alert which I have received on my mail ID with the email subject as new Instagram lead ad submission, sender's name as Sports Elite Training Center, and the same email body with the name test lead, email as test@pabblytunes.com, a random phone number, gender as male, preferred training program as group training, and training goals as muscle building. So this was the mail alert which I have received, and with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as Gmail. So that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, automatically we are going to receive a new mail alert on our Gmail account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.